Hello and welcome back to another episode of Wellness Talks with Nirva. I'm your host Natasha and we're excited to delve deeper into our mental health series. Last week we covered the basics, why mental health matters and how to spot the warning signs. Today we'll discuss adaptogens, mood boosting foods, yoga poses that could be game changers, and daily tips tailored to keep your mental health in peak condition in two exclusive videos. Make sure to catch them both in a specially curated playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment your queries in the comment box. To guide us through this enlightening journey, we have Dr. Shehnaz, a senior consultant at Nirva and an expert in Smriti meditation. Welcome, Dr. Shehnaz.
Thank you, Natasha. It's a pleasure to be here.
Amazing. Let's kick things off with something many of our listeners are curious about: mood boosting foods. Could you talk to us about the herbs or foods that can significantly impact our mood?
Absolutely, Natasha. The foods we consume play an incredibly crucial role in determining our mental health. So, in Ayurveda, the concept of you are what you eat isn't just a saying, it's a reality. So, different foods contain different types of nutritional elements that interact with our biological system in various ways. So, let's start with some Ayurvedic herbs, ashwagandha and brahmi. These are, for example, powerful adaptogens. So they enhance the body's resilience to stress and memory and cognitive function, which is crucial for maintaining good mental health. As for food, it's all about balance. Foods like berries, they not only fight the inflammation, but also help to reduce your cortisol, the stress hormone. And good fats like those found in nuts and fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These are all essential for brain health. And spices like ginger, cardamom, basil, these are not just flavor enhancers, but they have properties that can help calm our minds and improve mental clarity. So yes, the Ayurvedic approach is holistic, covering everything from herbs to foods to lifestyle changes.
Certainly, Dr. Shehnaz, adaptogens like ashwagandha and brahmi are frequently mentioned but not often clearly understood. So, could you please demystify what these adaptogens are and perhaps share some insights into how we can integrate them into our daily routines for better mental health?
Great question. In simple terms, adaptogens are natural substances, usually herbs, that help your body adapt to stress. So they essentially help balance our body's response to stress or a changing environment. For example, ashwagandha has the ability to ease the mind and lower our stress hormones like cortisol, while brahmi is more geared towards improving your cognitive function and reducing your anxiety. So as for incorporating them into your daily life, there are several easy ways. So ashwagandha can be taken as a supplement, usually available in a capsule or a powder form. And brahmi is excellent in tea form. So you can have brahmi tea once a day, maybe in the afternoon when you need that mental clarity to finish off your work task. So you can also find topical applications oils, creams that are infused with these adaptogens for external use. For example, brahmi oil can be great for a calming massage. But always keep in mind that while adaptogens can be incredibly beneficial, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider to tailor the usage to your unique health profile. And just overuse or misuse, this can also indeed have adverse effects such as gastrointestinal issues or interactions with your medications you might be taking. So that needs to be taken care of.
Thank you, Dr. Shehnaz, for that answer. And I think you've given our audience a lot to think about. I mean, these natural substances have a lot of potential, but it's critical to use them responsibly and in a way that complements one's individual health needs. Here at Nirva, we understand the importance of a tailored health approach. That's why we have experts like Dr. Shehnaz on our team, guiding our customers through personalized treatment plans that can include adaptogens where appropriate. We always advocate for a holistic approach encompassing everything from diet and yoga to mental well being. And we offer consultations to help you find the best pathway for you if you're struggling with gut issues, menopause symptoms, joint health, or other chronic conditions. And the cherry on top is our Nirva retreat. It's a getaway with detoxing Ayurvedic therapies and personalized yoga sessions that recharge each and every cell of your body, and that too in Kerala, God's own country. So if you have been trying to find a solution to your chronic health troubles, do let us know in the comment section and let us help you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Our next video in this enlightening series is going to give you the ultimate guide on which foods to embrace and which to avoid for optimal mental health. You won't want to miss it. Until then, see you and take care.